Good morning, everybody. We have another POV video back due to high demand. So here is my 2020 Supra. Go watch my other videos if you guys are wondering about what my setup is, but I didn't get a chance to do like much pulls the first go around because yeah, it was just the temperature and the road conditions just were not phenomenal. So I didn't want to risk it and end up crashing my car. I kind of mentioned that in that video, but today it's pretty nice. It's a little bit cool. We're actually heading to the Plano Cars and Coffee. So it's about a 20-minute drive from here. And then I've completely forgot to charge my Dragy. So I'll try to do 60 to 130 times. Might have to be later. But I'm gonna fill it up with some E85. Not really E85 here from Kroger. It's more like E70 something. Okay, so just filled this up. Like what I was saying, E70, new edition. We got the steering wheel and we got new paddles. So much nicer feeling. And yeah, the steering wheel is fully ceramic coated. The car's fully ceramic coated, but I went ahead and did it. We have my girlfriend recording me because even though it looks fine on YouTube, it looks goofy as hell when you're actually looking at it from the outside. But anyways, we'll pretend that she's not here right now. So yeah, performance-wise, what have I changed with this car? Nothing really. It's the same exact setup as the previous video, but I'm actually about to pull the trigger on a KLM 6870 kit. And then I'm also going to be swapping out my exhaust from the MagnaFlow X Mod exhaust, which I love, over to a single exit. So not sure what brand just yet. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for that install. Just one hint, it's gonna be fully titanium. So 16 minutes from here. Got a purple RAV4 over there. Hopefully we see some cool cars. Put it in sport mode. So this is on the XHP transmission tune stage 3. And I have it set up pretty aggressive just so, you know, if I want to punch it, it's going to be a little bit more lively. So I completely forgot how to set up these buttons for just shortcuts. But my number one button is set up for the tire temperature. So right now it's 68. So I'm gonna do some talking first while the tires warm up. Put this back on Waze. This in manual. That's why guys are watching this. So these paddles are actually full replacements, not one of those double-sided tape kind of tack-ons. I think those kind of suck. Got these used from a local group member, Q, so shout out if you're watching. I actually really like these because for me the paddle actuation actually feels very, very stock. Adjust my seating position here just because the GoPro sits a little bit high, so it's at least now eye level. But yeah, so plan on adding the top mount 6870 kit and then a in-tank fuel pump for additional fueling. So I already have port injection on this car, full flex fuel, and yeah, I plan on, you know, keeping it similar setup to what I have, except a bigger turbo with additional fueling. And then I'm gonna be showing you guys how it's like on a long road trip. So you guys have talked to me personally. You guys know that I love taking road trips. I grew up going on a bunch of road trips. Actually, as a family, we've been to all 50 states, which is awesome. Been super lucky to do that. And now that I have a cool car, I want to be able to maximize that. So let's go ahead and do some pulls. It looks pretty clear right now. Slow down to like 70. Keep it spicy. So traction control's still on. Traction control already kicking in. Gonna have to pick and choose where I do these pulls, because probably some cops hiding, but best combination that I can recommend for you all is a high quality radar detector using the Uniden R7. You can even use R3 or R4, which is a step down but still pretty affordable. Or I recommend checking out Facebook Marketplace to find the deals, and then using a combination of ways with that. So it says Waze says some cops coming up. So let's go ahead and put it in normal mode to be a little bit more inconspicuous. But yeah, leave your guys' comments down below. Let me know what you think about the future setup of this car. And I'm excited to show kind of the reliability of this platform with an even crazier setup. So the highway should straighten out a little bit further down. Crossing my fingers that there's no cops here in Mexico. Yeah, Mexico. We are going to Mexico today. Mexico Cars and Coffee. Probably do another mini pull here. It's about quarter throttle right there, so this car gets up and goes. Like, it just picks up speed really, really fast, and it's smooth. So here, we'll do a pull right here since it's pretty clear. Traction control kicking in. Just nice and smooth. Thank you to my assistant for muting my my radar detector. But yeah, there you guys go. More pull, more sounds from the car. So we have 7 minutes more left on this drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up and let you guys just take it in. See how it's like driving this car, this setup. It's sport mode on a nice sunny Sunday. Tire temperature's at 82 degrees right now, so not even fully warmed up. All right, we are approaching our destination, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Kind of a good contrast to my other one where I basically talk about my experience just daily driving it, how the suspension rides and everything. Leave your comments down below, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Hopefully can do some more Mexico runs, and then once probably later on in the day I'm gonna insert the 60 and 130 times, so I'll add it after this clip, but it's gonna be probably like 3 or 4 hours in real time after this, so I'll see you guys later. All right, 60 130 test number 2.